Hello everybody, it's Lisa Brown, Brown Uncle's Crafting. I'm taking one of the smaller cones that you can get from Walmart or Hobby Lobby. Sometimes Dollar Tree has the really small ones, but I didn't want the real small one. This is probably about maybe 8 inches tall. I had 2 packages of the pine cones that came with the little pumpkins. Some of them had a little bit of glitter on them. And I'm using the ones that have kind of a little curve to them, a little bit bigger, has a little bit of a curve to them to go around the base of my cone there. And I'm using a lot of glue that I've got on low temp. I'm making sure I have enough on the surface to hit the cone and enough for them to hit each other. That way it will help make all of these attach really good. Once you get that bottom on, it's so much easier because everything kind of connects together. All this glue will meld together and it will stay on. Now that we've got all our base on, we're going to start putting some of our smaller pieces on, and I'm making sure that I have glue on the bottom, both sides, and the back. I have an idea what we can do to cover up some of the glue that may be more than we would need, but it needs to be there to help it hold. And just wait till the very end of it. This is a short video. It's like 4 minutes long, and you want to see the very end of this video. I think this turned out gorgeous. I have a great big one that I bought at a thrift store several years ago, and it's about 1.5 feet tall, and it was on a wooden base, I believe, and they just stacked all these pine cones up. And that's what gave me the idea of making this mini one. I had that one in my shop, and I don't know what happened to it. I may have it up in storage somewhere. I absolutely love how this turns out. It looks so cute at the end. I almost used both of these bags. You'll be surprised how many of these that it took. But I did have a few left over. I didn't use any of the gold glitter ones. And I think it just loves so cute. I think this turns out really, really good. I'm just finding little spots in there to keep putting in some of the smaller ones and intermixing some of the medium-sized ones in some of the bigger places. And it really worked out good. I just made sure I added a lot of glue in the spaces to help it all hold together. I want to make a top, so I'm using one of the longer ones. It had a little bit of a curve in it, so I'm cutting a little bit of that out with my finger, putting some glue in it, and now we're going to build up our base around it to help hold that up. I think it took maybe 4 or 5 to kind of fill in all those spaces and get it done. Once we have it all down, we're going to put in a couple more pieces, and then it's going to be really cute. And you can see I'm not being very gentle with this. It is holding up. Now I'm taking some Snow Text, and I started out with a little brush, and in a minute here you'll see me ditch that little brush for a bigger one. This was going to take all night. I'm making sure I get a lot of the Snow Text on those globs of glue to help camouflage them. Now I've got a little bit bigger brush, and we're going to go up and down both directions, making sure I touch at least a little bit on each one of these. Some places a little heavier than others because I had a little more glue in different areas. I think this turned out so cute. I'd like to see if anybody wanted to try it. If you do, send me your pictures. I would love to see what you do. Have a great day, everybody, and I will see you guys all later tonight. Goodbye.